Alright guys, and welcome back to today's video. I'm your boy Crypto Mechanic, and right here guys, on this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can be able to instantly receive $25 straight into your account without having to make any single investment or without having to stress over it. So right here guys, on this video, make sure you pay close attention because I'll be teaching you the guidelines, the rules behind it, and all you have to put in place in order for you to earn this airdrop completely free. Alright, so this is an exchange airdrop like every other exchange, but on this video I'll be guiding you to do it properly. Okay guys, welcome back. You know I'm your crypto friends that help you make money in the crypto space without having to make any single investment over it. So if you like this type of content, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel by looking below the video you're watching right now. You click on this subscription button to subscribe to us, and of course make sure you turn the post notification on so that each time we post any update that's going to help you make money in the crypto space, you will be alerted immediately. After that, do well to give us a thumbs up and share our video and drop a nice comment. We really appreciate it. Okay, so right now guys, this is it right now. What I needed to do first is to simply pay close attention. Let me explain it to you in the best way that you can understand it. Remember, this type of opportunity don't often come around, so if you are seeing this video right now, you should grab this opportunity at all your disposal cost. And right now, let's now dive deep into how you can be able to do it. All right, but before that, we also have a Telegram channel where we post updates back to back about how you can make money in the crypto space. You might want to join us. Use the link on the description to get started. So to get started on earning your first $25 for free without any investment, what I need you to do is simply go to your Play Store, and when you go to your Play Store, you have to search for this app. Okay, you search for this app, Ultra Pro Exchange. Like I said earlier, this is an exchange airdrop like Binance did. When Binance was about to launch, they did airdrop, that is giving out their free token and giving people welcome bonuses and all that. And many exchanges took the same footstep, and right here, this is opportunity at your own disposal right now for you to grab it at all costs. Okay, so right now what you need to do is simply go ahead and search for Ultra Pro Exchange. Right here, you download it, and when you don't download it, you go ahead to open it. Okay, so right now you can see it is opening right now. Listen, pay close attention because there are some certain rules that you need to put in place before you can actually succeed properly. So first thing you can see over here, you need to click on sign up because you are creating a new account. But if you already have an account, you go ahead and to log in. But right here, let's click on sign up because we are actually creating a new account. So over here guys, you are going to be required to do some certain stuff. Like over here, you input your name, and over here you go ahead and choose the country where you are from, and of course your phone number, email address, and of course you input password, you confirm your password, and finally on this last part, this is very crucial. All right, so if you want to be receiving this free $25, this is the very crucial part over here on the referral option. You need to input the code that I'm going to be inserting right now. So you can see this code right now, UTX 562555395. Make sure that you input this code. This is my referral code. If you do not input this code, you are not going to be receiving any $25. So right, so pay close attention. Let's now agree. So after that, you go ahead to check this box so that it will turn orange color like this. So after that, you go ahead to click on register. Okay, and right here guys, you can see I've done the process, and right now they have sent me an email. I need to go to my email to get my code and put right here to verify this. And right now I just insert my code. Right now I have to click on verify. You can see account has been activated successfully. So right now, this is the next step, is for you to just log in using the email that you use while registering on the first step, and of course put the same password that you put on the first step. After that, you go ahead and click on this bot so that you will all remember you. Then of course you are going to be logging in from there. And once you are done doing that, they are going to be sending you another code to your email, which you have to go to your email to copy and paste right here before you can finally get access into your free $25. And right here, this is the code. So I have to copy it, then I have to go back and of course paste it right here. Then I'll click on continue. And right now, let me now show you guys what we need to put in place. So right now, you can see we have logged in successfully, and once you open the app completely like this, you can see this is the first notification that's going to pop up. You can see our phone launch is on 19th October 2024. So you can see they have made the dates to be 3rd October, but right now they have extended it. Okay, so right now I have to remove this. So right now what you need to put in place right now is so simple and as simple as ABC. So right now you can see this is a total new exchange and they are about to get launched fully on the 9th of October 2024, which is the same date that MinFi is going to be listing, if you know about MinFi actually. So over here guys, let me now tell you guys what you need to do. So when you click over here on assets, you can see assets right here. When you click on asset, let's see if we have, and right now you can see it right here. This is it. You can see that our asset that we got right now is 325. So this is instant, and of course this is your welcome bonus. You can see it's right here, welcome bonus. So this means that people that are going to be registered after 9th September are probably not going to be receiving the same gift. So if you are seeing this video right now, you should take advantage of this opportunity right in front of you before it gets late, okay? And make sure you share this video to everyone out there so that they can actually join in and get to benefit from this opportunity. So right now you can see we have now received free $25, but right now the next question is how you can be able to withdraw your $25 to your Binance Trust wallet, wherever you actually want to withdraw your coin to. So let me now explain things about that. So when you click over here on home, okay, so when you click over here on home, let me now show you guys some things you need to put in place. So when you click over here on claim USDT right here, and over here this is where they actually made something clear. So over here, these are the process that you need to put in place to be able to claim your $25. So they say the first one is register now on platform and get ready for the big day. So over here on 19th October, complete a simple task to qualify for your $25. This means that there are some things you need to do before you can be able to qualify to actually get your free $25. So this thing is just simple. Complete KYC. Only required was after finishing the task to verify your account. This means that when you complete your KYC, you all know KYC, right? So after completing your KYC, you can now be able to withdraw your USDT on any network. As they said right here, you can see they said once you have completed KYC, you can withdraw your USDT on any network. This means that the KYC process is coming soon. You can now, like for now, you cannot be able to do the KYC. This entails that on the 90th of October, after their launch, then you can now do your KYC and be able to withdraw your free $25. So these are the things that you need to put in your mind and have overhead before you can actually be able to get this instant $25 straight into your account so that you can sell it and use it for whatsoever. And right now, the last thing that I need to put in place and put in your mind is the referral right here. So when you click over here on referral, you will see that there's actually a beautiful bonus waiting for you right here. And before that, you simply need to refer people using your referral code. This means that anybody that gets into this project using your own referral code, you are going to be entitled to $2. You are going to be receiving $2 from anybody that you refer into this project. Okay, so this was actually confirmed right here. You can see this over here guys on this banner. They say that refer a friend and get 2 USDT. So once you refer anybody into this project, you actually get to 2 USDT. So register your account today, use your referral code to refer people into this project, and you are gonna be making money from that starting from the 9th of October. This is crypto space and everything is possible. Make sure to do your own research before you actually embark on any process involving how to get money or airdrop for free. Thank you so much for watching, and I believe now you have been able to learn one or two things that's going to be helping you make money. Do well to follow me on this channel, because on this channel I only bring you guys opportunities that are going to be helping you make money in the crypto space. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and I believe you got a value out of it. Do well to let me know on the comment section what you think about this, and also do well to give us a thumbs up. It actually means the whole world to us. And if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe. We really appreciate that. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys when I will be dropping more updates concerning this project and many other projects. Thank you, and of course, do have a lovely day.